Search for Wi-Fi camera on Google Play or App Store to download and install it. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motorola or V-SYS. Enter the number to connect to Wi-Fi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. When the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, the wired controller cannot be operated. Click Online to view the files in the memory card. Click the button in the upper left corner to switch between the video files of front and rear camera. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it or edit a video within 30 seconds to share. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, GSTG sensor sensitivity, reset camera, and other functions.